going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, got anything?
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday. Hope everybody's doing great today. The sun's shining. It's a little cold, but other than that, it's a beautiful day here. Anyways, we have some angry defendants today. We got one in Judge Bryant's court and Judge Perkins' court. We're going to start with Judge Perkins. Spoiler alert, this guy gets held in contempt. Yeah, don't say that the judge is making his decision based on your skin color. That's not going to end well. This guy is wild, though. Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola. This is a good one. Before I hit that play button, you already know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe and do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
$20. That's better. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gubin. I have a insurance
Top right
policy.
corner. It's my wife and me.
Quiet, Mr. Goop.
I have an insurance policy here. The only thing about this is I don't see a valid date.
Oh God, you cannot be serious. Do you not see the Ram truck right there?
I'm serious.
I'm surprised I'm not getting the same courtesy as the others. This is blowing.
I'm giving you the same courtesy. I'm giving you an opportunity to show me some proper documentation. You showed me some invalid registration first.
Sir, the truck is gone, sir. The truck is it got stolen from me at gunpoint. Insurance paid me off for the truck.
Okay,
That is not
the policy that you asked for, and you're
not
satisfied. And I showed you valid
Goober,
the truck was
Mr.
registered.
Goober, please,
Mr.
Goober.
Don't say anything, Mr. Berry. Don't say anything, Mr. Berry. Mr. Goober.
What did he say?
Mr. Goober.
All I was trying to say was I'm extremely sick. I'm literally throwing up right now.
Listen to me. I'm not. We're not going to talk like this. I'm going to talk, and you're going to listen, and I'm going to give you an opportunity to talk. All right. So First of all, don't accuse me of not giving you the same courtesy as everybody else, because that's absolutely not true. I don't have to dismiss these cases just because you said you had insurance. I can send you straight to trial or make you or not make you take the deal. I can't make you do anything, but I'm trying to give you an opportunity to show me valid documentation, okay?
And I'm trying to.
And I don't see, what I told you is, I don't see a proper date on this insurance policy that you sent me.
All right, I'm going to show you this registration that I had on the Ram, and you will see what day that ticket was issued and what day this registration was issued, which was a month or two after the ticket. So the truck was registered and plated, fully insured after I received the tickets.
So show me the insurance policy, the portion of the policy that has the expiration date.
All right, you know what time it is. It is about to go down. I know it's already been headed that direction, but we're going from a steady drop to a huge one right now.
You showed me that registration. 1/7/2024.
So you're asking to see if what? A valid what?
I'm asking to see the date on the insurance policy. You gave me an insurance policy. I have that, but it has no date on it.
All I showed was proof that the truck was insured, registered.
All right, I'm not gonna deal with it, all right? Let's set a trial date. Set a trial date.
I'm trying to get this dismissed. This is
Well,
this
it's
is
not gonna
literally
be
holding me
dismissed.
back right now.
You get it
Oh,
dismissed on the date of trial. Date of trial.
Nice. Thanks for no, I see clear as day why I'm not getting the same courtesy. Your name is Sean Perkins? Yeah, okay. I will.
That's the last time I checked.
Yeah. Okay, I get it. It's all right.
Mr. Gubin.
I don't need to hear it. I don't need to hear the blabby blab. Just stop talking to me.
I was just gonna ask, did you want to go in a breakout room?
What is a breakout room? I showed all my proof. I showed all the proof. I showed the proof, Mr. Sean Perkins. What is it? Is it my, what is it? My complexion?
Have a good day,
It's my
Mr.
complexion, isn't it, buddy?
Have a good day, Mr.
Mr. Uneducated Judge.
Have a good day, Mr. Gubin. You keep on
How are
talking
you
out of
even a
turn.
judge,
I'm gonna
bro?
hold you in contempt, okay? And we're gonna give you some jail time, okay?
What a clown.
You done?
Anything else?
Are you
Anything
done?
else, pal?
All right. I'm gonna hold him in contempt. I'm gonna give him 30 days Wayne County Jail, all right?
Right, okay.
You have an
Huge loss.
you have an absolute right to a hearing.
You
and
will expect a huge lawsuit. I showed you every single proof of documentation that I needed to, and you refused to dismiss my stuff.
Have a great day.
Why is that?
Have a great day. We're not talking anymore, all right? We're done talking.
Yeah, that's what I
30
thought.
days Wayne County Jail. All right.
All right. Who wants to go next on Sean Perkins' docket? Judge Perkins. I can't believe I just called him by his first name. Woo! You saw the other guy that was on camera was just like, dude, stop. You don't know. Oh, well, he's going to jail. Anyways, speaking of people that are going to jail, Judge Bryant had a really good one too. Let's go.
These are case numbers 2144462001 and 1944300601, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marquita Sakil King. Defendant is charged in each case with one count of assault or assault and battery, and today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is on behalf of the people, number 83505.
And for the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Marquita King. Ms. King, ma'am, please tell the judge your full name.
Marquita King. Today is the day set for pretrial conference as to each matter how we proceed.
On behalf of Ms. King, Your Honor, I believe the complainant's presences were required this morning. If they are not present, we're moving that each matter be dismissed.
Ms. Ritter?
Your Honor, so it is at least the second schedule of the pretrial conference with respect to both cases, and I don't see the complainant Ms. Shaniqua Ewing and Ms. Sandra Blueberry in the waiting room by the end. I don't have an explanation as to why the complainant witnesses are not present as they were required to appear, and the people will not be able to proceed based on the complainant witnesses failure to appear for today's pretrial conference as required by the court. I don't know. But it's so weird. I'm sorry. Yeah, these were two. There's some, it should be on my desk, on my agenda. So, and then you should be like in this binder thing that I have right here. It should be some yellow, and the red line is like more over to here.
Okay, I know what you're talking about.
It might be one on my desk, but.
Thank you. This is okay. I believe what the people said, because I was presenting the plan.
Hello, Moto. Excuse us, please, Your Honor.
Yeah, already. Her phone's going off. You know, that happens, right? People think their phone's on silent, or maybe they thought they turned it off and it didn't. That happens. It's the attitude. You see the slow walk over there. When it started ringing, she didn't even care. No one else has that ringtone. Well, I'm not going to say nobody, but no one in that courtroom has that ringtone. Come on. Come on.
Ma'am, come back. Hurry up and put that phone on silent and come back. What are you doing?
Phone is broke.
Well, then turn it off. I'm gonna recall this case. Let's go to something else. Okay. Ma'am, stop talking. Let's not do it. I'm ready on 8. Avery's not ready. I'm ready on. Ma'am, stop talking. Officer Grants, tell her I said, get back in here.
And then she just tried to leave? Oh, man. Not going well. Not a good start.
I'm ready on McQueen. No, I don't want her to wait in here there. This is regular court. I'm ready on McQueen. I didn't say I was ready to. I'm ready on McQueen.
Ready on the queen, Your Honor.
Let's be clear, court is in session. Court is in session. While court is in session, all electronic devices must be placed on silent or vibrate. There's no talking, no eating, no drinking, no sleeping, no gum chewing. Court is in session. And clearly, there's plenty of room in the courtroom. Everyone who is here for courtroom 339 ready to recall Marquita King.
All right, so we fast forwarded a little bit. Judge Bryant made her wait, went through a couple other people. I skipped when she was reading off the rules. We've all heard them before. She comes back and, yep, it's about to go down. Yeah, in like 2 or 3 minutes, but still.
These are case numbers 214446201 and 194430601. The people of the state of Michigan versus Marquita King. Defendant is charged with assault or assault and battery as to each case. At today's date set for pretrial conferences. Appearances again, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ray on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Marquita King. Ms. King, ma'am, please say your full name.
Marquita King.
Thank you. Today, the day set for pre-trial conferences. And before we proceed, I'll just share a little interesting fact. I had clicked on this email that I got this morning from the Supreme Court of Office. And it was a survey, they were asking us to do a survey regarding, virtual court proceedings. And there was a part of the survey that I didn't get a chance to finish because it was taking longer than I thought. And they asked about the virtual the Zoom proceedings, then they asked questions about live streaming, how we thought that it was helping improve or, not improve certain things. Then they asked about in-person proceeding. And then one of the things they asked about in-person proceeding, like it was a comparison, like, have you been part of the, I think they were trying to this survey is supposed to try to get a feel for, are people ruder in person or on Zoom? Do people feel more free to say whatever they want to say on Zoom proceedings or in person? And for the most part, I was saying that on Zoom, they felt more free to act out. Now I had to go back and change my answer. But anyway, and I didn't see a question about when the people act out in person, what do you do? I didn't see that question. But it could be on there because I didn't finish the survey. So I'm wondering, after I finish this particular case, what my answer to that question is going to be. All right. Today's the day set for pre-trial conference. How are we proceeding again?
Your Honor, thank you so much. First of all, I would just offer some context for the court.
All right, now it's about to go down. Sorry, it was preemptive. I know I said a couple minutes, but it gets wild. You know what? I'm gonna let it play out. There's only about 3 minutes left of this video. I'll see you guys later. Hope I'm gonna put out another video this afternoon. Definitely live tonight. Till then, bye.
And on behalf of Ms. King, Your Honor, I would just want the court to understand that her frustration is really attributable to the fact that she is experiencing a lot of difficulty due to these cases moving, having been brought to this point, Your Honor. It's caused her a lot of problems, which if dismissal would alleviate. So
I apologize. Let me interrupt you and ask you this. And how have I contributed to those frustrations?
you haven't contributed to that frustration. I haven't contributed to that frustration. Nobody in this room has contributed to that frustration. And it's up to Ms. King, and she realizes this, Your Honor, to bring this matter to its lawful conclusion so that she can move forward. We are moving for dismissal. And I do hope that the court would grant the motions just so that she can move past this. This court hasn't done anything to Ms. King. Ms. King and I have been able to work very well together, even up to this point and past this point, I'm sure. So I'm asking the court to, I'm apologizing on behalf of Ms. King, and I am asking for this.
And Ms. Ritter, what was your response?
Your Honor, with respect to both cases, I did not see the defendant witness in the waiting room by their names, Ms. Shaniqua Ewing and Ms. Sandra Blueberry. The people don't have an explanation. This is the second schedule of the pre-trial conference, and the court did require both complainant witnesses to appear. And at this time, Your Honor, we will not be able to proceed based on complainant witnesses to appear for today's pre-trial conference as they were required by the court.
I appreciate your statement and I accept an apology, but I don't agree with that. That's her frustration. She seemed like she's just a rude person because her phone rang. Well, first of all, ever since she's been sitting in the courtroom, her whole attitude has sucked. I assumed that perhaps something happened to her this morning that put her in a bad mood. Well, in the middle of what, in the middle of me speaking, literally in the middle of me speaking, you're gonna ask your lawyer, can I speak, so I can tell her, in the middle of me speaking. You didn't wait till I finished, you didn't wait till I said anything further. Literally in the middle of me speaking.
I don't know what I've done to this lady.
I don't know what you did to this lady either, but this lady gonna send you back there if you call me this lady again. Okay, I'm gonna recall the case again, Ms. Stevenson. Ms. Stevenson, I'm gonna recall the case again.
It's crazy, like, every time I'm in the courtroom, she always got an issue with me.
I'm gonna
What is
recall
going
the
on?
case.
I'm not
We're gonna
understanding.
put her back in the back for a minute.
This shit is crazy. It's
And
like
if she cursed one more time, if she cursed.
Judge Bryant muted it. And then she goes back with the officers. Not good. All right. Now I'm out. Talk to you guys later.